In this video, students and teachers' real concern, why parents are worried now, Jantar Mantar ground reality, why CBSE office discussion is important, why unity matter right now, today's 9 p.m. online meeting updates, what should be the next peacefully step. Please watch the full video and share your opinion. Dear teachers and parents, as you all know, the sudden implementation of the new CBSE language policy has created confusion and stress for both teacher and parents. Many teachers are worried about their future, and many parents are also asking important questions about their children's language choice and studies. That is why we are planning to visit the CBSE office together and respectfully present our concern. But honestly, till now, the number of people ready to support physically is much lower than expected. And if we truly want to reach the authorities properly, then we need more unity and more participants. So before talking any next step, I have organized an open online meeting today at 9 p.m. I sincerely request to all teachers and parents to join the meeting and share their thought openly. This meeting is very important because we will clear confusion, discuss every one concern, and decide together what should be done on Wednesday. Please remember, this is not a protest against CBSE or against any language. We only want to communicate respectfully and find a balanced solution for both student and teachers. The meeting link is available in the comments section of this video. Please join and share your opinion, because only when we come together our voice becomes strong. Thank you so much.